What's up, dudes? Today we are doing the Disney challenge.
Well, it's not really Disney challenge, but we're just gonna spin each other in the chair.
And yeah, but you spin me first.
Yeah, let me go get the blindfold.
Yeah, okay. Last time I got nauseous. I was like, yeah. So hopefully this time I won't get nauseous. So, yeah. I just want to eat my food. Okay, come here. I just want to eat my food.
Am I going first or are you going first?
I'm going first on the spinning chair.
Come here.
Man, you come here. Stand up. Stand up. All the way over there. Oh my god. I just want to eat my food.
You have a big head.
Won't even tie.
Hold on.
I just want to eat my food.
Okay, come here.
Stand up.
This doesn't even work. I have to do it tight, okay?
Okay. So I'm blindfolded.
I'm tying my trongles around it, okay? Because it's kind of hard to tie it if your head's stupid.
Okay.
Hold on.
Stop.
There you
Okay. Am I facing the camera?
go. Yes, and
Okay. One.
hold on.
Okay.
How much fingers are going up?
5?
No. Okay. 1, 2, 3.
Well, it's easy.
It's because last time it was easier. Because I was blindfolded as well. It's because last time you were light, now this time you're fat. Stand up straight. Maybe that's because. Yeah, that's
Yeah.
One, 2, 3. 3. 3. 3. Okay. I don't want you to get nauseous.
Whoa, we were in the camera the whole time?
Yeah.
I thought we were over there.
No.
So over there next to the vacuum cleaner.
5-second break. Hold on. I need to get a new bandana. Oh.
I came in like a wrecking ball. And look on TV.
Okay. Hold on.
Okay. Papa, stop, mama, okay, let's do it.
Okay.
Okay. And I want to tell, when I tell you to sit, you sit. Sit. Okay. It's gonna get bumpy.
Don't scoot me close to the thing.
I know. 1.
Hold on.
Okay. Yeah. Now. 1, 2, 3. Is this even good?
I'm trying not to hold on.
Imagine you just flew out.
I'd be like, oh my god.
You're like, are you okay?
I'd be like, are we in the camera still?
What? Yeah.
Dang!
What? Are we going? Am I going fast?
No.
No?
Ah! Now you are.
No?
Now you weren't going fast.
I wasn't ready for that one. Yeah. Okay. Stop. Ow! Was that fast? Really fast? Okay.
Bye.
Guys, thanks. Okay, peace out, dudes. Like and subscribe.